some daily use sentences. हे माझे आहे. It's mine. It's mine. हे तुझे आहे. It's your. It's your. आत या. Come in. Come in. बाहेर जा. Get out. Get out. उठा. Get up. Get up. उठू नका. Don't get up. Don't get up. त्याला विचारा. Ask him. Ask him. आता नाही. Not now. Not now. सर्वात पहिले. First of all. First of all. अजिबात नाही. No way. No way. Next. माझ्या पाठीमागे या. Follow me. Follow me. माझा पाठलाग करू नका. माझा पाठलाग करू नका. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. मी निघत आहे. I am leaving. I am leaving. माझा द्वेष करू नकोस. Don't hate me. Don't hate me. आता माझी पाळी आहे. It's my turn now. It's my turn now. आता तुझी पाळी आहे. It's your turn now. It's your turn now. ती खूप चहा पिते. She drinks too much tea. She drinks too much tea. तिच्याकडे खूप पैसे आहे. She has too much money. She has too much money. भारतात खूप जास्त बेरोजगारी आहे. भारतात खूप जास्त बेरोजगारी आहे. There is too much unemployment in India. There is too much unemployment in India. ती आंबा खात होती. She was eating mango. She was eating a mango. ती स्वयंपाकघरात बसलेली होती. ती स्वयंपाकघरात बसलेली होती. She was sitting in a kitchen. She was sitting in the kitchen. अनुजा इंग्रजी बोलण्याचा प्रयत्न करत होती. अनुजा इंग्रजी बोलण्याचा प्रयत्न करत होती. अनुजा was trying to speak English. अनुजा was trying to speak English. अजय त्या चित्रपटात काम करत होता. अजय was acting in that movie. अजय was acting in that movie. वारा वाहत होता. The wind was blowing. The wind was blowing. ते माझ्याकडे पाहत होते. They were looking at me. They were looking at me. मी वर्तमानपत्र वाचत होते. I was reading the newspaper. I was reading the newspaper. बाबा काम करत होते. Father was working. Father was working. तुम्ही जात होते. तुम्ही जात होते. You were going. You were going. तो येत होता. He was coming. He was coming. मी रोज शाळेत जाते. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. सूर्य पूर्वेस उगवतो. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. सूर्य पश्चिमेस मावळतो. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. तो दिवसभर काम करतो. He works all day. He works all day. ती आनंदी दिसते. She looks happy. She looks happy. ती शाळेत बसने जाते. She goes to school by bus. She goes to school by bus. ते महाबळेश्वरला दरवर्षी जातात. They go to Mahabaleshwar every year. They go to Mahabaleshwar every year. तो अस्खलित इंग्रजी बोलतो. He speaks स्पीक्स फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश. ते येत नाही. ते येत नाही. They do not come. They do not come.